What's up, Gosu Gang? It's the Gosu Driver, and I know it's been a long time since I last posted, but in the couple of months that I've been away, I did do a ton of things to this car, and I'm excited to share some of that stuff with you guys. So the reliability stuff that I've done, you won't be able to see, and that includes a Trackspec radiator with integrated engine oil cooler unit, and that was more for a temperature. I wanted to make sure temps all stayed, pretty consistent and low on the track so I can stay out longer without having to worry about a meltdown. Moving from there, I did a ATI super damper, which actually was more of a preventative because my OEM one was starting to wobble and I wanted to kind of get ahead of that. So that just gives me peace of mind more so. Moving into the more of, I guess, performance realm, I did do the Speedline square setup, and this has been one of the bigger things that I've done, and it's 18 by 10.5 on all four corners. And the weight savings that I got compared to the chrome wheels that I previously had are just, you can really feel the difference. Unsprung weight reduction does make a big difference in terms of how the car handles, and it's just phenomenal now. It's point and shoot, responsiveness is up, everything is just, it feels more dialed in now with this setup, so I'm pretty happy with that. Moving on from that, I did do a big brake kit from AP Racing, and this is the Radical CP 9660, and it's just an amazing kit. I've ran it at ACS so far, and the confidence that it inspires is just phenomenal. I can brake later. I can it kind of scares me how late I brake now. I don't go crazy, I'm not trying to go off the track, but I did improve my lap time so far by a couple of seconds, and it does show. So it is an amazing piece to have, quite expensive, but at the same time, I think the maintenance is going to be reduced. So I think that's going to save and kind of pay for itself over time. And the reliability is great. I mean, AP Racing has made these kits for a long time, and I think that it'll stand the test of time. So we'll see about that as I get more track sessions in. Aesthetically, it's very, very pleasing. The J-hook design is really cool. The color actually matches my paint, I feel, and it just adds a nice look to the car. Aside from that, unsprung weight, it does shave some pounds from the front end, so that does help as well. And that's pretty much all I've done so far. Moving forward, I do want to do seats because I am tired of kind of holding my weight on the door. I think I've already thrown like an error code for the left door control module. And I do want to get a Sparko seat, just kind of keep myself kind of planted when I go into corners. I'm kind of tired of like breaking my knee to kind of keep myself centered. So that's one of the bigger pieces I want to do. I will keep this channel more up to date as I do increase my track time. So be on the lookout for that, and if you guys want to see anything else, please do let me know. I will throw some more GoPro footage from my track days, so keep an eye out for that. And I'll see you in the next one.